In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a members area to your website, invite users via the dashboard, and manage members efficiently. So whether you're launching a membership site or simply want to create a private space for your community, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's start with adding the members area. First, navigate to your website's main dashboard. This area serves as the control center for all your website's functionalities, so becoming familiar with it is crucial. Once you're in the dashboard, look for an option or tab that indicates settings or site management. This could vary depending on the platform you're using, but it's usually located on a sidebar or under a settings menu. Once located, you should see an option to enable or add a members area. Click on that and you'll likely be presented with several configurations options, like setting the name of the members area, determining who has access, and customizing any specific features to fit your community's needs. Spend a little time here exploring these options, since tailoring the members area to your requirements will enhance both functionality and user experience. After successfully adding a members area, the next step is inviting users via the dashboard. In the same dashboard area, there should be a section specifically for managing users or members. Once there, look for an Invite Members or Add Users button. Clicking this will open a window or form where you can input the email addresses of the users you want to invite. It's essential to ensure the email addresses are accurate, as they serve as the entry point for new members into your exclusive area. Many platforms will allow you to customize the invitation. Take advantage of this feature to include a personalized message or instructions on what new users should expect upon joining. Sending detailed invitations not only makes new members feel welcome, but also helps them understand the purpose and benefits of being part of your members' community. Finally, let's move to managing the members. In the members or users section of the dashboard, you should be able to see a list of all active users. This is where you can manage their roles and permissions. It's important to assign appropriate roles according to the involvement you expect from each member. Some platforms allow you to create custom roles, giving you more control over what each member can access and do within the members area. Moreover, keep an eye on the activity levels of your members. This data can be useful to understand engagement levels and might guide you in deciding whether to send reminders or updates, fostering a lively and interactive community. And there you have it. Adding a members area, inviting users, and managing them through your dashboard is that straightforward. I hope this guide has clarified the process and will empower you to create a successful members community on your platform. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing